Hey everyone, Miguel here, and welcome here to my channel, guys. I hope that you are doing great. On today, guys, I'm gonna bring you another crypto-related video, and specifically, I'm gonna show you how you can buy crypto here. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, especially if you are using your debit or credit card. It's really easy to take this step. Okay, so I will take you to the end. Watch this video until the end so that you don't lose anything. Okay, and follow everything that I'm doing here. Okay, it will be really easy. Now don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel. I will leave a link for you to join me here on OKX, and also this video is already related with one of the projects that I'm starting. Okay, so take notice of that. Okay, now guys, as you can see, I'm logged in to my OKX account. Okay, and at the moment this is my assets that they are actually in Bitcoin. Okay, but it appears here in USDT. Okay, US dollars. And now what you need to do is, obviously you can go from here directly, or if you want to check your assets, where you go to do that, here on the top you click on assets here and my assets. All right, and from here you will have access to the image. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, USDT, wherever it is, it will appear on these details. Okay, so this is first step. Okay, then what you need to do now, okay, as you can see, guys, I have some Bitcoin here, okay, available, and now what I want to do is I want to buy crypto here on OKX, and you can see here on the top it says buy crypto. Okay, you simply click here on the express buy, you click in here. It's going, okay, and now guys, as you can see, buy crypto in a few steps: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Solana, and more popular. And now what you need to do is you need to insert here the amount that you want to acquire. Okay, in this case I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and I'm going to, let's see, I've been more, I already went through this just to make sure if all the details were correct. Okay, in my case I'm in euros. Okay, and I will insert 83 euros, and now this is going to be the Bitcoin that you will receive, but before that there's still one step. Okay, and what you need to do is click here on buy BTC, and you need to choose. Okay guys, this is the fastest way for you to do this. So guys, you have more than one way, okay, but this is the fastest one, is to your card and credit card, but obviously there are some fees if you use your credit card or debit. Okay, the one that you basically don't pay any fees if you send money directly here to your OKX through a wire, okay, a bank wire, bank transfer, and then the fees are way smaller. Okay, now in this way what you need to do is, obviously I'm doing this on my computer, guys. On your cell phone is a little bit different. You click here on the card, so 1.99% of fees, and as you can see it will change here the amount that you will get. And guys, if you wish, if you want to make sure the amount that you are getting, here on the, okay, you have a crypto calculator. And now I've opened it here on a new tab. In this case I need to change this to Bitcoin, and I'm gonna insert here the amount of Bitcoin and what this will be in US dollars. So in US dollars it will be 89.48 US dollars that I will get. I believe this is more or less. I don't think there will be much more fees. Now is to click next. Obviously this is if you add balance in that space. Okay, and okay, 3 euros, this fee is 1.65 euros, and I click on buy BTC, and now guys, what you need to do is you need to go to your bank account, to your bank, okay, in my online banking, and you need to confirm the payment. Okay, what you need to do here is to conclude your purchase, you need first to get on your app, okay, then touch the envelope. In my case, my bank is Santander. You need to touch the envelope on the right and to access the inbox, and then I need to authorize the pending payment and confirm that you authorize, and then when I have everything confirmed, I will be back here. Okay, just a few. I'm gonna pause the video for a minute and I'll be back. So guys, I don't know if I can show you. Now all I need is to here click on my mobile, accept, okay, authorize, authorize, okay, then I'm gonna receive a code. I insert the code here and I click on accept on my mobile, and now the buy is authorized, and as you can see, this is already going. I don't even need to press here, and in a few seconds I will see my funds here on my OKX account. Okay, so your people will appear in your asset shortly. Okay, if you want to review the details, you click here, and then guys, this is it. Very simple. Okay, so as you can see guys, here it is completed. Your assets have been added to your account. Okay, and now I can go back here to my assets. Okay, and let me see. Okay, and what I've got here now in my Bitcoin wallet. Let's see guys, as you can see. Okay, so 108.6 US dollars. Okay, in Bitcoin it's 0.00186772. Okay, guys, so 108.60 US dollars that I have available. Okay, guys, this is the very simple steps that you need to take to purchase crypto through, in this case specific guys, through debit card, and acquire that crypto here on OKX. Okay guys, I believe that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to notifications, and guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.